Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Coach MC. You're watching SLE Canada. I make videos about study abroad, career growth, immigration, and inspirational stories here in Canada. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 in-demand programs and jobs in business. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So in this video, we're going to talk about the in-demand programs and jobs for business. So we are going to focus on salary, job opportunities, and as well as some PR pathways that are suitable for business students. And at the end of the video, I'm going to have an important announcement. So make sure that you subscribe and like this video if you are excited. So all the schools that I'm going to mention in the rest of the video are all part of my SLE membership. So if you're not familiar with that, I have an SLE membership where you can get some benefits like program advising, you also get the admission assistance, and you can also talk to alumni student, which I'm going to launch pretty soon. So check studyliveexploreca.com for more information. In business, you're going to find different concentration, but let's start with accounting. You can either take a diploma, which is I took when I was at Nova Scotia Community College, and you can also take a post-degree accounting, which you can find it in Commerson College, Langara College, or Selkirk College, and many more. For the tuition fee, it's going to be depending on the program. So you're looking at, 11,000 up to 18,000 Canadian dollars per annum. And if you're taking the post-degree diploma, you can actually use that program to get into the CPA prep program. The average salary of an accountant in Canada is going to be 60,000 Canadian dollars as a starting salary per year, and you can actually get a job in British Columbia, Ontario, Alberta. If you haven't checked my podcast with Claire Curtago where we talk about the accounting program at Langara College, please do check out the link in my description box. We are going to have a lot of collaboration with Claire Curtago, and we're gonna have a live event where we can be able to answer your question live. So stay tuned because we're going to announce that in the next few weeks. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that announcement. Next in our list is business analytics. So for this program, you're going to learn 2 things. One is a software application, more on technical. You're going to learn about programming, and the other side is going to be more on big data or more on research. For this program, you're going to have advanced skills in mathematics. So for the program, you can actually check Cape Breton University, Langara College, Douglas College, Humber College, and many more. For the tuition fee, you can actually find it around 13,000 up to 18,000 Canadian dollars per year. If you want to become a data analyst, you can actually get paid around 62,000 Canadian dollars per year, and the job opportunities for this profession is going to be in demand in British Columbia and Ontario. But if you want to stay here after graduation, your best bet is BC, because they have the BC Tech Pilot program where web and data analyst is actually part of the list. If you want to learn more about the PR pathways after graduation, you can actually attend the bi-weekly webinar with Ms. Maricel Agustinez, a regulated immigration consultant. So check that out. Next in our list is going to be my favorite one, which is the digital marketing or marketing management. So for this program, you are going to learn a lot in Google Analytics or search engine optimization. You can work as a media planner, CEO analyst, or own a business. So I had a conversation with Z. If you haven't checked that video, and I had a podcast episode with Z where he talks about his digital marketing business, and I also had a fun conversation with I Am Canada, Max. So we talk about the program and the biggest mistake that we did, because again, I took accounting, but my personality and my interest really fits digital marketing. So if you want to listen to that episode, please do. It will be in my description box. But let's say you're interested with digital marketing, you can actually check the program at Confederation College, Commerson College, Bow Valley College, Langara College, Angol Vulcan College, and many more. So for the tuition fee, you're also going to look at 16 up to 18,000 Canadian dollars. I think that's the average tuition fee here in Canada. Now let's move on to the next one, which is the supply chain or international business management. So if the program will fit you if you are working in distribution center or you're working as a logistic coordinator. But you know what? I had a student before. Many students of mine are, taking this program not because they're working as a logistic coordinator, but as long as your job is actually part of the supply chain, you can actually justify that on your study plan. So it really depends how you explain that. But for this program, after you finish it, you can actually work as operations manager, import-export manager, or inventory manager. It really depends on the level of position in terms of your salary, by looking at 50 up to 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. And when you're selecting the cities, you have to consider the 5 major ports here in Canada. So you're going to check Vancouver, Montreal, Prince Rupert, Halifax, and St. John. So for supply chain or international business management, you can check Niagara College, Cape Breton University, Sault College, St. Lawrence College, and many more. And for the tuition fee, again, it's going to be around 16 up to 18,000 Canadian dollars per year. Okay, next in our list, guess what? It's the favorite. One of the favorites of our international students. It's business management. So for business management, you can actually check University of Victoria because they have the most affordable one. It's the Diploma in Business Administration. For this program, it's actually modular. You can select, the courses. If you want to focus on finance and more on accounting, you can do that. If you want to focus on business analytics, you can actually do that as well. And for the tuition fee, why, it's their favorite because of the tuition fee. It's going to be around 16,000 Canadian dollars for the entire 2 years. Yes, entire 2 years. So for the job opportunities, you can find jobs here if you're working as an admin assistant or a manager, administrator. You can find jobs here in Victoria or Nanaimo or Comox Valley. But to be honest, I really advocate students to move here on the island and settle. So I love the island as a whole. You're gonna see a lot of videos showing the island, so make sure that you're subscribed if you're eyeing for University of Victoria. So I'm actually partnered with this university, so we're gonna have another video featuring the university and the program itself, and we're gonna have a promo code. So if you want to apply at University of Victoria and you want to save some money, I'm going to have a promo code UVICSLE, so that you can get 150 Canadian dollars that you can reimburse as soon as you get your student visa approval. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you find this valuable and you get a lot of nuggets. And again, we're gonna have a lot of events and a lot of collaborations with other international students. Watch out for that. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Kamusta ka na, Felix? Kamusta ka na?
Mabuti.
Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta?
I don't know.
Okay. It means, where are we going? Right, Nate?
Anti-Tofino.
Punta tayo sa Tofino.
Punta tayo sa Tofino.
Pero kapag Filipino accent ka, Felix, magiging ganito ka. Tofino.
Tofino. Tofino. Not Tofino. It's Tofino.